Your van is your personal mobile workshop, not just for transporting tools, equipment and parts, but also your base for carrying out minor repairs and maintenance. Synchro System understands that, and therefore we've created a vast line of metal vises with folding or pull-out bases, easy to use and integrated perfectly with our racking units. The base of the vise with resin-coated oil-repellent wood is also ideal for use as a small worktop. It can be mounted on top of any racking module, like the drawer or shelving units, ensuring that you always have everything you need right at your fingertips.